Whitening teeth and preventing tartar buildup at home can be simple and effective with natural remedies. One of the most popular methods is brushing with a paste made from baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, which gently removes surface stains and helps kill bacteria. Oil pulling with coconut oil is another natural technique that may reduce plaque and improve overall oral hygiene. To prevent tartar, it's important to brush twice daily, floss regularly, and rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash. Limiting sugary foods and staying hydrated also contribute to a healthier smile. These easy, natural practices can help you maintain bright, clean teeth without harsh chemicals. Before and after teeth whitening at home, close-up of yellow teeth transforming to white, smile transformation with natural remedy, tartar buildup versus clean teeth. Comparison 7-day natural whitening progress timeline. Smiling person before and after using baking soda, remedy coconut oil pulling before versus after result. Tooth with plaque turning into a shiny, clean tooth DIY remedy. Results side by side. Animated transition from stained to sparkling teeth. Before and after teeth whitening at home, close-up of yellow teeth transforming to white smile transformation with natural remedy tartar buildup versus clean teeth. Comparison 7-day natural whitening progress timeline. Smiling person before and after using baking soda, remedy coconut oil pulling before versus after result. Tooth with plaque turning flat lay of baking soda, coconut oil, and hydrogen peroxide wooden spoon with baking soda on a bathroom counter. Coconut oil in a glass jar with a toothbrush beside it, dropping hydrogen peroxide into a paste mixture. Mixing natural ingredients in a bowl, baking soda and strawberry combo in a small bowl, brushing teeth with a natural paste. Natural remedy ingredients labeled with benefits, organic coconut oil on a white background. Ingredients in heart-shaped bowls. Step 1, add baking soda. Step 2, add coconut oil. Step 3, mix to make a paste. Step 4, apply to toothbrush. Step 5, brush for 2 minutes. Step 6, rinse thoroughly. Final result, whiter, cleaner teeth. Infographic showing full DIY recipe cartoon of person making. DIY toothpaste illustrated checklist of whitening steps. Brushing twice a day. Morning and night icons. Dental floss being used properly. Drinking water after meals, eating crunchy vegetables. Carrots, celery, swishing with mouthwash or salt water, replacing toothbrush regularly. Brushing with fluoride toothpaste oral. Care routine visual checklist. Smiling person holding a water bottle floss, toothbrush and mouthwash lineup. Strawberry plus baking soda. Mixture in a bowl person rubbing strawberry on teeth, apple cider, vinegar bottle with dilution instructions, celery sticks with a dental health tip, overlay green apples next to a healthy smile graphic crunchy veggie snack chart for clean teeth. Natural food icons around a smiling face, lemon warning sign for enamel safety fresh fruits that stain teeth versus clean teeth. Natural teeth friendly snack, coconut oil in a spoon with a smile. Icon step-by-step oil pulling instructions, person swishing coconut oil. Illustration. Benefits of oil pulling in bubbles timer set for 15 minutes next to oil pulling bottle, labeled natural detox for teeth, before, after. Breath freshness oil pulling routine on a bathroom counter. Teeth detox illustration with coconut oil pulling benefits. Infographic. Do not overuse baking soda, sign hard brushing damages, enamel warning, avoid sugary drinks, graphic smoking effect on teeth illustration, cartoon of enamel wearing down mistakes, people make when whitening teeth, red crossover daily baking, soda use tooth, with erosion showing what not to do side by side, natural versus chemical whiteners, acidic foods danger warning. Whitening toothpaste doesn't bleach teeth. Fact lemon juice myth with a warning symbol. Activated charcoal versus natural remedies comparison. Vinegar whitening myth. Busted DIY versus professional whitening comparison chart. Brushing harder. Carke whiter teeth. Myth with red X-Fact versus myth chart. On tooth care misconceptions about hydrogen peroxide. Real effects of baking soda illustrated. Natural remedy versus commercial strips. Confident smile after using natural remedies. Young woman smiling with natural winds text. Smile bright naturally. Quote over clean teeth. Group of friends showing off white teeth. Person holding a DIY remedy kit and smiling bright smile in the sunlight. Say goodbye to tartar. Caption over clean teeth, smiling with confidence before an interview. Motivational quote, a healthy smile starts at home. Close-up of clean, healthy teeth in good lighting. Top 5. Natural Whitening Remedies weekly schedule for at-home teeth. Whitening 3. Step tartar prevention. Chart benefits of coconut oil for oral care foods that stain. Verse foods that clean easy oral care routine in 4. Icons teeth whitening tracker template homemade. Verse store-bought whitening. Pros and cons, do's and don'ts of natural teeth. Whitening minimalist infographic. Natural smile routine.